Today, first responders from across Metro Detroit got some special training that will pay dividends in the future.
Now, responding to emergencies involving electric vehicles poses a different set of challenges than their gas-powered relatives. Rod Maloney shows us how this different switching from high power to high voltage really is.
In nearly 30 years going to proving grounds, you see a lot of things that amaze you, expensive vehicles everywhere, and you see things that make you want to cry, like, for instance, cutting up and wrecking a $60,000 Cadillac like this one. But they're out here doing it for a very good reason. This is General Motors Proving Grounds in Milford, and firefighters from more than a dozen fire departments across Michigan and northern Ohio came to get in-person, hands-on training on how to deal with an electric vehicle fire. Brighton Fire Department Captain Andrew Piskarowski tells us he's fought electric vehicle fires and knows it's an entirely different operation.
Make sure our vehicles are further back from an electric vehicle fire, so that's one of the bigger aspects of it. Immobilizing the vehicles are slightly different because they're typically burning near the bottom of the base, so getting access to the wheel wells and things like that are definitely different.
GM Global Product Safety and Systems Chief Joe McClain says this changing automotive environment can be dangerous, but doesn't need to be, like understanding why water and electricity are not friends.
We talk about the research that's been done over the past several years, showing there's no transfer of that energy up the hose stream, and just putting water as close to the source of the heat and that you can is our recommendation.
But there's more than just pouring copious amounts of water on a crashed EV that's required. Pulling it apart and avoiding the dangerous electrical wiring is also vital to know.
Having this knowledge and be more comfortable around them over the next 15 years of my career is going to be invaluable.
So for General Motors, this is the last one of these they're going to do in person. This training now is going to be migrating online, where they have videos for every fire department to be able to understand what they need to do in an EV accident situation. In Milford, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
Yeah, fascinating. All right, Rod.